everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you 7 different ways in which you can use a nude pencil. Nude pencil can be used in so many different ways and I really want to share all these ways with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Today's comment shout out goes to Navya. Thank you so much Navya for commenting on my video. One of the ways in which you can use a nude pencil is to correct your eyeliner. So if your winged eyeliner isn't perfect or it isn't sharp or your both wing liners don't really match, you can just take a nude pencil and use it like an eraser. So you can sharpen your line, you can sharpen your edges, or you can make both of your wing liners look the same. If one gets thicker, one gets longer, don't worry, just use a nude pencil as an eraser. If your pencil has become really dirty, either sharpen it, or if you don't really want to sharpen, just clean up whatever dirt or like darkness you have, like any shadow or something on your hands, so that you get a clean outcome. Another way you can use a nude pencil is as a brow bone highlight or to sharpen the edges of your eyebrows. It really works amazing that way and your eyebrows look snatched and crisp. Another way is to use is as an inner corner highlight, just like you used as a brow bone highlight. This kind of opens up your eyes and it makes your eyes look bigger. Another obvious way to use a nude pencil is to use it on your lower waterline. It makes your eyes stand out and makes them look a little bigger, and also makes them look awake. So if you're tired and if you haven't got enough sleep, you can just put this nude pencil and you will look fresh. It makes a really huge difference, as you can see. Also, after applying mascara, if you get a little mascara on your lower waterline, you can just correct that by applying nude liner on top. If you want any lipstick to show its true color, and if your lips are pigmented or very red, and whenever you put lipstick on, the color just gets mixed with your natural lip color and the real color of the lipstick doesn't show. If that's your concern, then you can neutralize your lips with a nude pencil. You can even use a regular normal nude lip liner for this, but a nude pencil is really light, so it will work perfect to neutralize your lips before applying your lipstick. This will make sure the lipstick which you put on top shows its true color and it looks really vibrant, and it will also help the lipstick to stay on longer because this one will work as a lip liner, so it will give a nice base for your lips before applying your lipstick. So the lipstick will stick onto it and will stay for longer and will stay matte. Another way is to sharpen your edges of your lipstick. If you get a little bit lipstick outside your lip line, this mostly happens to me whenever I'm applying very dark liquid lipsticks, because it's really difficult to control it that way, and if it's dark then it easily shows. So you can just take a nude liner and correct that edge to make it sharp. Another way to use a nude pencil is to hide any dark spots. It won't work as a concealer, it won't hide it completely, but if you're getting late and you just want a little bit of coverage, just use this nude pencil on your dark spots and just dab it a little and it will cover them little, not much. You can even use this after your makeup is done, so after you have applied foundation, concealer, and still if you can see a little bit dark spot, just use your nude pencil and put it on top. Make sure the nude pencil is close to your skin color. Don't use a very light or very dark pencil. You can even use a nude lip liner which is close to your skin tone, not necessarily like a kajal pencil if you already have one. So make sure to use a nude pencil according to your skin tone. I know you won't get an exact match, like it's not a foundation or concealer, but at least choose a light, medium or dark pencil according to your skin tone. So these were all the ways to use your nude pencil. If you can think of any other ways in which you can use a nude pencil, please leave them down in the comments down below to help me and to let others know. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!